The Samsung Galaxy S8 and the S8 Edge is what we're going to be talking about in this video today. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome yourselves back to Twiz Tech.
Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun in my morning, babe. Nothing in the water.
So what I've done for you all is put a bundle of information together, from rumours to confirmed specs to even the current market and what it complies and what the fundamentals are that we expect for 2017. And this is all going to be for the Galaxy S8 and the S8 Edge. Before I get into that quickly, I know I've been missing for a little bit, but I've actually been doing lots of work on my gaming channel also. So trying to build that up, which is going really well, thanks for asking. But if you want to go and check that out, you're more than welcome. The link is in the description. Also, the guy who made the concept trailer for the S8 is in the description down below. If you could go over to his channel and check out the video, it will be the first link in the description. So we're probably most likely going to be seeing the Samsung Galaxy S8 and Edge around March and April. Firstly, we're going to be talking about the display, and it's most likely that we're going to be seeing a 2K QHD Super AMOLED display. Now, there have been lots of rumours speculating about the 4K features that we could be getting, but there's two issues with this. One, that it's hungry for battery, so it will tear down your battery within hours. And the second thing is the cost and the amount it would be to actually put it onto a portable smartphone. Now, it's completely doable, do not get me wrong, but it's very unlikely that they're going to do this, as they're going to want to keep the price down to compare to other competitors. Now we're going to move on to the bodies and design of the actual phone, and it is rumoured that we're not going to get a headphone jack. Now I know what you're probably thinking, this could just be a rumour speculated due to the iPhone 7, but it is pretty hefty feature that the fact we're moving on to the wireless kind of scene within the technology, and it's starting to move on to a lot of devices, so this is actually more likely than you could imagine. Now this next feature could vary, and we're not too sure at this current moment in time. We're going to have to wait for the release, but we could be losing the footprint at the bottom, which means no more home button, or if there is a home button, it will either be shrinked in size or put onto the side of the phone. Now this could be a massive feature, as this has always been on the Galaxy since the very first model, the Galaxy S, but we're going to probably see an increase on the screen size and have a full screen on the front, one of the first phones to actually do this. And the third option, which is very likely for this home button, is the fact that the fingerprint display could be the actual home button on the back of the phone or integrated to the screen, as this has been a reoccurring technology at this current moment in time. Now another rumour which has been speculating, which I think is most likely going to be true, is the fact that we're going to be getting two integrated speakers, or we could just get one enhanced speaker hitting the low EQs a touch bit more, which would be nice to see on a smartphone. Next on the new home features is the fact we could be getting the USB-C port. Now this has been very common on most new smartphones, as it allows for faster charging and is just overall quick at data transfer and lots of other features. So this is very likely. Please do keep open for expectations on the USB Type-C. Moving on to the next subject would be the camera. Now the camera is probably not going to get too many upgrades, because it's already incredible on the S7 and the S7 Edge. But we might be getting a dual lens camera on the back, which I don't see very likely, but one thing which could be done is a bigger lens and more light amplitude going into the phone for the pictures, because the quality is already amazing. It's just a little bit of focus and stuff that we're going to be seeing. Now the next thing that I know for the cameras is that we're going to be getting an upgrade on the selfie camera, more specifically for videos. Now Snapchat video stories have become a massive thing where you get to show yourself for 10 whole seconds. They're most likely going to be upgrading the front camera even more specifically for videos, with autofocus for those lovely stories on Instagram and Snapchat. Moving on to my favourite part of the speculations would be the phone's specs. We're most likely going to be seeing 6GB of RAM, or maybe 8GB if they're comparing to the HTC. But one thing that makes it more likely to be 8GB of RAM is the fact there's a rumour that you'll be able to plug in via the USB Type-C and have your phone turn into a portable desktop for any monitor. Now we all know Snapdragon has been tearing the market when it comes to smartphones, and we're most likely going to be seeing the Snapdragon 830, Qualcomm's brand new processor, which will most likely be in the phone to really help out with the processing power. And of course, when it comes to the operating system, you guessed it, Android Nougat 7.0. Now at this current moment in time, we can't talk on the colors as they do vary between models, but we could be seeing similar colors to what we've got with a new edition. But without further ado, that is the end of the video. Ladies and gentlemen, if you did enjoy this, make sure to smack a like, hit that subscribe button, I'm back for good now, and leave a comment, let me know what you think should be added to the Galaxy S8. But thank you all for watching, have a fantastic day. It's been your boy DJ Lordsy inside the place. Peace out.